Hello everyone. Making this video for my people in Upwork and also sending this out to some Facebook groups. So what I'm looking for is a site like this, and I'm gonna walk you through it. So I work with dealers, and I'm noticing there's some dealers that we work with that have sites that definitely need some work. So here's how their CMS page looks, and I think this is pretty well laid out. Sixt definitely is a little bit different than most. They're a rental company, but the way they portray their sales page is definitely a lot cleaner and a lot more friendlier. So this is something that I'm looking for. Um, I'll also provide the link so you guys can look through. So it's just one type of, I guess, theme that I'd want for my dealers. The second one would be for my RV clients. So, I'm looking for something like this. And then we'll also go to their CMS page. You know what? We'll go search all. There we go. So something like this would be very nice. Click it. Again, all this will be provided. So, as far as functionality, something similar to what they got here. I'll also provide the link here. And basically what I'm looking for on my end, and well, on the dealer's end, is a dashboard where they can see what's like inventory, leads, like Facebook ads, Google ads, everything that's converting. Basically a whole dealer dashboard where you can post inventory, etc. We went through that. And then here, what they have is like where you can connect Facebook to Craigslist. I mean, not Facebook. The system to Facebook, Craigslist. I'd like, if we could, instead of Craigslist, possibly have like a let go and offer up feature. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm looking for. You guys can DM me and tell me your skill sets if you're capable of doing something like this. I'm looking for someone urgently, so I'm posting on Upwork as well. Um, again, best price, best. Honestly, it all comes down to best quality for me. But again, I will also factor in cost because whoever is able to do this, they'll be working with me for all projects going on now and for the future. Thank you.